This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a compatible weapon, a whetstone knife, and at least one empty ash slot. Once done, equip gear that resists lightning and fast roll if necessary. Make your way to the high-voltage region where lightning ashes drop. Don't dawdle, move directly to the enemy cluster that commonly carries the ash. Keep stamina management tight, and make sure to save at the nearest site of grace before engaging to avoid losing. Once you're in the area, prioritize lightning casters and elite foes because they have the highest chance to drop the lightning ash of war. Move deliberately. Isolate one enemy, bait them into a choke point, and take them down quickly to avoid being overwhelmed. After each kill, search nearby corpses and chests thoroughly. Some ashes drop only from specific enemies or guarded caches. Make sure to loot before resting at any site of grace to preserve drop chances. You complete the process by returning to a site of grace with the lightning ash and a whetstone knife, then apply the ash to an eligible weapon through the Ash of War menu. Once applied, test the weapon on a weak enemy to confirm the effect and adjust affinities if needed. If you didn't get the drop, make sure you killed the correct enemy type, rest to respawn foes, and repeat the focused farm route. Persistence and targeted kills are the reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.